Just like that. All right? Now, I want you to have a firm grip on it, okay? Make sure the top of the front side's level with the top of the back side. These three dots will line up. Have this front side covering the 5X, and put just the tip of your finger on that trigger. A little bit like that. Now squeeze it halfway till it comes to a stopping point. Just like that. Make sure the sides are line up. All right, now we'll get it up. All right. Put your fingers like this.
You're about to hit the top of the way he aimed.
Once you got those sides lined up, good to 5.
Ooh, got it on the first shot.
Now you're anticipating the recoil now. Make sure you don't lower it down as you squeeze that trigger. There you go.
Yeah, do what you say.
We got one more in there. How'd you like that? Sorry, I tell people I meant to shoot around it. Cut the whole thing out. I've done it before, people believe me.
I'm about to embarrass myself out here. That dude is actually hitting the target.
Don't anticipate it. Want to shoot up on you. Alright, nice shot.
Woods.
Okay. I got the bullseye.